Good morning students, welcome to physics online class. Today we can revise lesson 1 measurement. I hope already you learned all the answers students. So once again we can revise, okay. First one, define measurement. That introduction, page number 1, the introduction part, 8th line. Measurement is about assigning a number to a characteristics of an object which can be compared with other object. Okay, already you have learned, just revise it. The next one is the unit. A unit is a standard quantity with which the unknown quantities are compared. So what is a standard unit? A unit is a standard quantity with which the unknown quantities are compared. Then take next page. What is the full form of SI system? What is the full form of SI system? International System of Unit. What is the full form of SI system? International System of Unit. Okay. The next, here different systems of units they used. Now what are the systems? CGS system, FPS system and MK system. CGS system means centimeter, gram, second. FPS means foot, pound, second. MKS meter, kilogram, second. Okay, here fundamental units and symbol it is given. So length, meter, m, mass, kilogram, kg, time, second, yes, temperature, Kelvin, K, electric current, ampere, A, luminous intensity, candela, CD, amount of substance, mole, mole. Okay, the next one, fundamental units, length. So length is the extent of something between 2 points. The unit of length is meter. What is the unit of length? The unit of length is meter. The next, here some formulas are given in derived quantities. Formula is given. First, area, length into breadth, that is meter square. Volume, area into height, meter cube. Density, mass by volume. This formula, everything you have to learn. Velocity, velocity already learned, no? Displacement divided by time. Unit also, you know what's the unit of velocity? Meter second power minus 1. Next, momentum. Momentum, next year you will learn, okay. Momentum, mass into velocity. The unit of momentum is kilogram meter second power minus 1. Acceleration, change in velocity divided by time. The unit is meter second power minus 2. Next, force equal to mass into acceleration. The unit is Newton. Pressure equal to force by area. The unit is Pascal. And energy, force into distance. The unit is Joule. Surface tension, force by length. The unit is Newton meter per minus 1. Just you revise it to this formula. Okay. The next page, here, to measure a large distance, 3 units are used. What are the units used? Astronomical unit, light year and parsec. Astronomical unit is the mean distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth. What is the value of one astronomical unit? 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Next, light year. It is the distance traveled by light in 1 year in vacuum, and it is, what's the value of 1 light year? 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Then parsec is the unit of distance used to measure astronomical object inside, outside the solar system. So the parsec is the unit of distance used to measure astronomical object outside the solar system. 1 parsec equal to 3.26 light year. The next one is mass. So mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. What is the SI unit of mass? Kilogram is the SI unit of mass. The last line say 1 metric ton. 1 metric ton equal to 10 quintal. Okay, 1 metric ton equal to dash quintal, 10 quintal. Okay, the next, time. Time is a measure of duration of events and the interval between them. The SI unit of time is second. Okay. The next, temperature. Temperature is a measure of hotness or coldness of a body. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So different scales are used. What are the different scales used in temperature? What are the different scales? Degree Celsius and Fahrenheit scales are used. Okay. The next, rules and conversions for writing SI units and the symbols. Very, very important question. Everyone should learn this question. Okay. 7 points you have to learn. So once I am revising, just you also revise it. Okay. The units named after scientists are not written with the capital initial letter. Example, Newton. The symbols of the units named after scientists should be written by the initial capital letter. Example, N for Newton. Small letters are used as symbols for units not derived from a proper noun. Example, M for meter. The no full stop or other punctuation mark should be used within or the end of the symbol. So example, 50 meter not as 50 m dot. The symbols of the units are not expressed in plural form. Example, 10 kilogram not as 10 kilograms. When temperature is expressed in Kelvin, the degree sign is omitted. So example, 283 Kelvin not as 283 degree Kelvin. The next, use of solidus is recommended for indicating a division of one unit symbol by another unit symbol. Then the number and unit should be separated by a space. Example also you have to write. Then accepted symbol should alone should be used. Example, ampere should not be written as amp. The numerical value of physical quantity should be written in scientific form. Example, the density of mercury should be written in 1.36 into 10 power 4 kilogram meter power minus 3 and not as 13,600. Okay. So any 7 points already you learned, just revise it. The next one is the next measuring instrument is called vernier caliper. Okay, the vernier caliper. What is the least count of a vernier caliper? 0.1 millimeter. What is the least count of a vernier caliper? 0.1 millimeter. In centimeter, same is 0.01 centimeter. Okay, how will you find the least count? What is the formula to find the least count? Least count of the instrument equal to value of one smallest main scale division divided by total number of vernier scale division. What's the formula? Least count equal to value of one smallest main scale division divided by total number of vernier scale division. So LC equal to, LC means least count equal to 1 divided by 10. You will get 0.1 millimeter. In centimeter, if you write means 0.01 centimeter. Okay. Then take next page. What are the two types of error? What are the two types of error? Positive error and negative error. What is the formula for positive error? N into LC. What is the formula for negative error? Minus of 10 minus N into LC. Okay. The next measuring instrument we can learn, screw gauge. So screw gauge, what is the least count of the screw gauge? What is the least count of screw gauge? 0.01 millimeter. Okay, this we can write in centimeter also. What's the centimeter? 0.001 centimeter. Okay, then how will we find the pitch of the screw? So already marked this question, just we can learn. The pitch of the screw is the distance moved by the tip of the screw for one complete rotation of the head. So pitch of the screw equal to distance moved by the pitch divided by number of rotation of a head scale. Okay. Pitch of the screw, once again, the pitch of the screw is the distance moved by the tip of the screw for one complete rotation of the head. The pitch of the screw equal to distance moved by the pitch divided by number of rotation of head scale. The next one, least count of a screw gauge. How will you find the least count? So the least count formula, value of one smallest pitch scale reading divided by total number of head scale division. So least count equal to 1 divided by 100 equal to 0.01 millimeter. If you write in centimeter, 0.001 centimeter. Okay, here also two types of error. What are the two types of error? Positive error and negative error. What is the formula for positive error? N into LC. What is the formula for negative error? 100 minus of 100 minus N into LC. Okay, then different measuring measuring instruments are there, not to measure mass. So what are the measuring instrument? Common balance, next physical balance, digital balance, spring balance. Okay, so the common balance, physical balance, digital balance are used to measure mass. What is the use of spring balance? What is the use of spring balance? To measure weight of a body. Okay, what is the use of spring balance to measure weight of a body. What is the use of common balance, physical balance, digital balance to measure the mass of a body? Okay, then here on problem is the problem number 3. A man has a mass 50 kilogram of the air. Then what is the weight? What is the formula for weight? What is given first? Mass is given. No? And the G value already you know. What's the value? 9.8 value. That you should learn. Okay. So what's the formula for weight? W equal to m into G. Just multiply and write, you will get the answer. What is the unit of weight? Newton is the unit of weight. Force unit only, weight also. Okay. The next difference between mass and weight. The table column. First one, mass is a fundamental quantity, weight is a derived quantity. It has magnitude alone, scalar quantity. It has magnitude and direction, vector quantity. It is the amount of matter contained in a body. It is the normal force exerted by a surface on the object against the gravitational pull. Then fourth one, remains the same everywhere, varies from place to place. Then fifth one, it is measured using physical balance. Weight, it is measured using spring balance. Then sixth one, its unit is kilogram, its unit is Newton. So important question, you have to learn mass as well as weight. Okay, once again, the mass is a fundamental quantity. You also say along with me. Okay, mass is a fundamental quantity, weight is a derived quantity. It has magnitude alone, scalar quantity. It has magnitude and direction, vector quantity. Mass is the amount of matter contained in a body. Weight is the normal force exerted by the surface on the object against gravitational pull. Remains the same everywhere, varies from place to place. So mass is measured using physical balance. Weight is measured using spring balance. The unit of mass is kilogram and the unit of weight is Newton. Okay, student. So this all the questions you should learn well. Okay, now we can learn choose the correct answer. Now from the book inside also one word is there and book back also one word is there. Okay, then choose the correct answer. First question, choose the correct one. First one what? Millimeter, less than centimeter, less than meter, less than kilometer. Okay, second one, rulers, measuring taps and meter scales are used to measure length. So answer is length. 1 metric ton is equal to 10 quintal. Okay, 1 metric ton is equal to 10 quintal. Then which among the following is not a device to measure mass? What is the answer? Spring balance. Why spring balance? Beam balance and physical balance, digital balance are used to measure mass. So spring balance alone is used to measure weight. Okay, then fill in the blanks. Meter is the unit of length. 1 kilogram of rice is weighted by beam balance. Thickness of a cricket ball is measured by vernier caliper. Radius of a thin wire is measured by screw gauge. A physical balance measures small difference up to mass up to 1 milligram weight. Okay, this one word you have to learn. The next match the following. Length meter, mass kilogram, time second, temperature Kelvin. Next is screw gauge, coins, vernier caliper, cricket ball, beam balance, vegetables, digital balance, gold ornaments. Okay, this much question you have to learn well, and the numerical problems also there. So you should learn well. Okay, numerical problem. Already all the problem given, just you have to learn well. And learn well. If you have any doubt, just you should ask in the Zoom class. Okay, the same only same lesson only I will teach in the Zoom class also. Just any doubt there means you can ask. Okay, now we can see the numerical problem. Rome letter 9, problem number 2, already written in your note. Once we can revise. Okay, first what is given in the question? Given you have to write. Given MSR means what? Main scale reading equal to 7 centimeter. Then VC, vernier constant equal to 6. Then LC, least count, equal to 0.01 centimeter. Here centimeter only given. Okay, so least count also you have to take centimeter. What you have to find? The diameter you have to find. Okay, diameter equal to, what is the formula? MSR plus VC into LC. Okay, so here 0 error not given, so no need to write 0 error. So what's the value of MSR? 7 plus VC 6 into least one 0.01. So 7 plus multiply, you will get 0.06 equal to 7.06 centimeter. Okay, what you have to find? Radius. So radius equal to diameter divided by 2. This all of you know this formula, diameter divided by 2. So what's the value of diameter? 7.06 divided by 2. You will get the value 3.53 centimeter. Okay, this is the question number 2. All of you know this. Don't know means just see this and learn. Okay. Then question number 3. So what is given in the question? Look at the question and read the question 2 times and write what is given in the question. Okay. So first given. Yes, first we can write given. Okay. So PSR equal to 1 millimeter. It is given in millimeter. Then HC equal to 68. The least count of a screw gauge, that millimeter 0.01 millimeter. Then you have to find the thickness equal to PSR plus HC into LC. This is the formula to find the thickness by using a screw gauge. Okay, PSR what's the value? 1 plus HC 68 into least count. So you'll get 1 plus 0.68. So the value is 1.68 millimeter. So this is the second question. Okay, very easy. Third question, problem very easy. What is given? Then formula, substitute and write the answer with the unit. Okay, student. Then third question we can see. Then question number 4. First, what is given in the question? You have to write. In the question, find the mass you have to find. Weight it is given. Okay. So the weight, what is given in the question? Given. Weight equal to 98 Newton. What is the unit of weight? Newton is the unit of weight. This given in the question. Okay. Then mass you have to find. What is the value of G? G, small g means what? Acceleration due to gravity. What is small g? Acceleration due to gravity. The value is 9.8 meter second power minus 2. This value not given in the question. You should write. Okay. 9.8 meter second power minus 2. Then what is the formula for weight? W equal to mg. Okay, what's the formula for weight? W equal to mg. W means weight, m mass, g acceleration due to gravity. Then just to substitute the value, mass only you have to calculate here. Okay, so the mass m equal to weight divided by g. Okay, weight divided by acceleration due to gravity. Now just to substitute the value. What is the value of weight? 98 divided by g value 9.8. Just multiply with here decimal after one number is there, no? So numerator and denominator multiply with 10. So what value you'll get? 980 divided by 98. So just to cancel, you'll get the value 10. Now mass only you have to calculate. What is the unit of mass? Kilogram is the unit of mass. So like that you have to learn the question. Okay, very easy problem. All the problem here work out. Then the inside book inside some problems are there. No, solved problems are there. Just that also same model only. If you have any doubt you can ask. Okay students. So first lesson fully over. Just to learn well and write the exam. The rules and conversion is there. No, very important question. Learn. Okay, 7 points you have to learn. Which point for you very easy that you learn. And book inside also one word is there. Book back one word also there. So everything learn well and write the exam well. Okay, just to revise all the question. Thank you.